Alright, wildlife, welcome to week 2. This video is sponsored in part by me again. Welcome back! Woo! I'm still here! Who knew? This is week 2 and your explanation of that. Week 2 is going to be April 6th through 10th, as you can see on the document on the screen. Our learning targets for the week are going to be to investigate Minnesota wildlife conservation plans, construct a bird feeder, and to create a bookmark featuring wildlife laws, or multiple bookmarks, I guess. Our ongoing project is going to be our SAE project. I would say for some of you, you might want to look at potentially looking at another option to get some of those hours completed, just in case, because you are still responsible to finish that before the end of the semester. Even though everything's like shut down and yeah, it might be a little hard, but we'll figure it out, you know? If you want recommendations for that, you can contact myself or Miss Seibert. My email was listed in the letter last week that was to you guys, so you can find that there. Seibert's email is always going to be right here in this box. Alright, let's move on to the week, because that's the important stuff. All the assignments will be turned into the Google Forms that we have listed in the turn-in assignments here. This is something we changed from last week because we got some feedback that kids just didn't know where to turn stuff in. So we tried to make that really easy for you, and instead of listing them on Friday, they're listed in this column right here where it says turn assignments in here. Awesome. Yeah, they're going to be all due on Friday, April 10th, so even if it's listed like kind of under Monday, you still have till Friday to do all your assignments, as long as you get them in by midnight. If you need help turning like your assignments into the Google Forms or not sure how to do that, go ahead and click on this link that Seibert recorded for us, and that will help you be able to drag files onto Google Forms so you can turn them in. Alright, let's see. So for our weekly plan, first off, we're going to start with this Minnesota Wildlife Action Plan Review thing. First, we're going to have you read this document. This is a document that illustrates what your state is doing to preserve wildlife, the state of Minnesota, of course. So this is going to help you understand the current issues activities that you did last week, and just pull that in together, I guess. So first off, we need you guys to make a copy of this document. You can put your name on it, that'd be awesome. And then you're going to answer these questions. They're right there in the article, so it should be a pretty easy, like, read and find type activity. And then down here, this is asking you to take a conservation effort into your own plans. We're going to ask you to take those water bottles that we sent home with you or that you had at home and make a bird feeder out of them. So there's no guidelines on how to do this, really. It's up to you guys. But we want you to attach, like, image of your completed project and a description of how you created it into this document before you turn it in. So if we go back to our plan here, that's where you're going to turn it in right here. Our next 3 days, because we have no school on Friday, right, is going to be this wildlife laws assignment. So we're trying to group things up that go together so that you guys aren't doing a completely new assignment every week, and that way it might be easier if you want to knock it all out right away. So this is going to look similar to this document. Well, it is this document, I guess. So there's 3 parts to it. First off, you need to make a copy of it, add your name to the top. There's going to be assignment day 1, assignment day 2, if my thing will scroll down here, and then assignment day 3. So everything that you do for these 3 assignments need to be turned into this document before you go ahead and turn it into that form, which is going to be right here. As you can see, this week I took the time to explain each part of those daily assignments. So if you have a specific question about those, make sure you click those links to watch that video first before emailing any of us, just so that we can try and limit the number of emails that we get if possible, and help you guys out without you having to wait for a response for us. So hopefully this will go a little bit smoother, but of course we're always taking recommendations, so if you have any, shoot them our way. Otherwise, we hope you have a great week. Good luck with everything, distance learning, woo. Hope this isn't too much for you guys. We think it's pretty good, and it's also something that you'll be able to relate to, like your everyday life. And I think that's pretty cool and makes learning a little bit easier on your part too. Good luck with all your assignments. Let us know if you need anything, whether that be assignment wise or you just need someone to talk to. I know Cyber is getting pretty lonely because, like, she just like sits in school all day. So, like, shoot her an email and be like, hey, how's it going? Miss you. It'll make her whole day. So, yeah, that's all I have for you this week. Good luck, have fun, and learn a lot.